Have you ever imagined how bad it could go? Hey everyone, I'm Sonam. In this chilling weather of Sikkim, I'm here to witness the topic that everyone, not everyone, most of you must be ignoring since a long period of time. I just want to see you, it's okay. There are tons of things that people must be thinking about you, the perspective they have built for you, but it's okay. If you are taking a stand for yourself and you have a belief that yes, you could do better in your life, obviously you're going to do it, you will do it. And there is no such thing that is based on others' perspective. I'm not saying that do wrong things and say that I don't care, but the things that felt right for you and the things that you have taken stand for at any point of time, just because you love it, you take a stand for it forever. Even though people are judging you for it, it's okay. It is all right. It is what I mean, they are taught to, or maybe this is the way they are brought up. Because if we talk about us, like me and you, and if we have done something that has affected someone's mental health, I would have never put them down for it, repeating that shit again and again. So if people are going to do, or people are doing with you, it's okay. It's okay. How much bad it could go. People are going to misunderstand you, obviously, and it is what is meant, because that is a stepping stone to move forward and to build that potential. See, if suppose you have not made that mistake, and you would be right, you would be right anyway, right? But if you have taken a wrong step, and somewhere even the universe wants you to build that potential, to face that consequences whatever you have done, and maybe build the potential to reply someday to them, or maybe not even reply, maybe the potential to move forward, accepting that whatever you did out of love, whatever you did was out of your conscience, and that is what matters to you. So how much bad it could go? No, nowhere. There is no bad, there's always good. I hope you love that sound. There's always good, and wherever you go, you're going to shine, girl. Not only girl, sorry, boy, too. To everyone who is watching this, you are going to win in life. Wherever you go, you are always going to shine. Because how much bad it could go, how bad it could go, how bad. There is no bad, there's always good. Bye. Take care.